Today was a slow day. We knew going in to reduce your goals, your targets. 2 points can be a lot in ES. Let a trade slap you in the face. If you're trying to take shots, especially on a slow day, you're going to miss when there was a trade you were supposed to take. You took the one you shouldn't have taken, then you missed the one you should have taken. If think about this as a trader, if you got all the money back from the trades you weren't supposed to take, you'd probably be successful. So it comes in being confident of what does slap me in the face, Anthony. So if you look at the recording here, you could see my illustrations coming around. We're just going sideways right now. Yeah, it should rally, but when? Yeah, it should rally up to this red iceberg, but when? And you see me circling it in here. When this red kicked out right there is the beginning of, when I got above it, the beginning of it starting to walk up. But something else slapped us in the face. David mentioned it in the room where the Russell, and he's pointing to it right now, that's his purple line, shot lower, but the NASDAQ and the ES didn't go lower. When an ancillary goes down and the other ones don't, that's a sign of strength. Plus, he's in a support zone. Plus, he knows he's got stuck shorts. See where my cursor is? So he's got stuck shorts here. No coincidence. Once it got above there, it blasted higher. He had the Russell going down first, and the NASDAQ and ES didn't go down. He's in support, and he had stuck shorts. He had a slap in the face moment. Now, if he was just taking shots throughout most of the morning and beating himself up, he'd miss that, or he's more inclined to miss it. And then what you see in here is these greens kind of got shaven back, which means less longs. We know, or you should know, less longs equal less sellers. Less sellers make the price of anything go up. But it was this moment down in here that you got slapped in the face. Now, an hour ago, I couldn't say, hey, wait, guys, we're going to have a moment where the Russell's going to go down, the NASDAQ's going to be in support. It's going to show some stuck shorts in the NASDAQ and some stuck shorts in the ES. I would have known it would have been in that sequence, but some variation of that. So put yourself in a position to be rested when you see things that stack probability. Let me rewind this 1 second. Let me rewind it. And right as soon as it gets above, right there, as soon as it gets above this red, you get some more shorts coming in. That's why this line gets a bigger negative. All right. Then you see what I'm illustrating here. Hey, the NASDAQ's above some shorts that they might be stuck. They start walking up. You start to see these greens file down. You're either in or should be in. And you're like, well, it only went 6 or 7 ticks. That's a big move on a day like today. It's all about head starts. It's all about head starts. And the market, like I said, doesn't rally a lot, but re-rallies into here. And then once, what's interesting is once these longs came in here, and you see me circle it a moment ago, puts a stop on the pop. Too many longs. And Dave shows his planes. So that's what you're missing when you don't have the Puke tool, aka OPP, other people's positions. That's what we're tracking. We've been able to filter the MBO data to find where the stops are and where other people's positions are being opened and they're being closed. So come to the site and look at it, because we're always looking for all-stars or people that will turn into all-stars.